In this video, I am going to discuss about the multiple choice questions in first year chemistry second chapter structure of atom. First one, which of the following statements are correct about the cathode rays? They move from cathode to anode. This is the correct one of the property of the cathode rays. They are negatively charged rays. These are visible rays. This is not the property. Television picture tubes are cathode ray tubes. So it is also right answer regarding the cathode rays. In absence of electric and magnetic field, these rays travel in a straight line. So it is also correct. So first one is correct, third one is correct, fourth one is correct. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. In the options given below, 1, 3, 4 are given in option 3. Increasing order for the values of E by M for electron, proton, neutron and alpha particle is E by M value for neutron equal to neutron charge is 0, considering the relative mass 1, 0 by 1 equal to 0, 0 by anything 0. Alpha particle is helium particle, alpha is helium molecule, 2He4. So charge is 2, mass is 4, 2 by 4 means 0.5. Proton charge is 1, relative charge, mass also relative mass is 1 regarding hydrogen. Electron charge is 1, mass is 1 by 1837 of hydrogen atom. So E by M value for electron is equal to 1837. So the values are increasing in this order. E by M value of electron is greater than, proton is greater than, alpha is greater than neutron. So option 2 is the correct one. Rutherford experiment on the scattering of alpha particles showed for the first time that the atom has nucleus. Electron, proton, neutron, nucleus. So Rutherford was the first scientist. He discovered the nucleus when all the alpha particles, when they are scattered, the gold foil, all the alpha particles, most of the alpha particles are passing through the center of the atom. That means it is empty space. Rutherford named that as the nucleus. So nucleus was first discovered by Rutherford. Thomson model is also known as plum pudding model, correct one, raisin pudding model, correct one, watermelon model. So all these three names, Thomson model is named as all these three names. So answer is 4, all of the above. In photoelectric effect, at which frequency electron will be ejected with certain kinetic energy? Nu naught means threshold frequency. Threshold frequency means the minimum frequency required for the ejection of electrons, where nu is the incident frequency. Incident frequency is always greater than the threshold frequency. Then only ejection of electrons takes place and photoelectric effect will be takes place. So option 4 is the correct one. A 600 watt mercury lamp emits monochromatic radiation of wavelength 331.3 nanometers. How many photons are emitted from the lamp per second? Planck's constant and velocity of light are given. So here power equal to 600 watts, wavelength equal to 331.3 nanometers. Convert this to meters. 1 nanometer equal to 10 power minus 9 meters. Planck's constant 6.62 into 10 power minus 34 joules second. Velocity of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Time is 1 second. Power equal to energy by time, that is equal to nhc by lambda t. By substituting these values and separating n is equal to, we will get 1 into 10 power 21. So in the given options, third one is the correct one, 1 into 10 power 21. Next, which of the following electronic transitions in hydrogen atom will require highest energy? Lowest energy levels are very closer. In the given options, lowest energy levels are, first one is n equal to 4 to 5, 1 to 2, 3 to 5, 2 to 3. Lowest energy level is second option, that is 1 to 2. So it requires very high energy. It requires high energy, which are very close to the nucleus. So second option is the correct one. Next, eighth one, the ratio of radii of second orbit of hydrogen atom to fourth orbit of helium He plus ion is. So radius of nth orbit is given by the formula 0.529 into n square by z angstroms. Here radius is directly proportional to the orbit number, inversely proportional to the atomic number. So R1 by R2 is equal to n1 square by n2 square into z2 by z1. By substituting here the values, that is hydrogen orbit number is 2 square into atomic number of helium is 2 by orbit number of helium is given 4, so 4 square into atomic number of hydrogen is 1, so 2 square means 4 into 4, 1 4 will be cancelled, 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar, so this is equal to 1 by 2. So the ratio is 1:2. In the given options, third option is the correct one, that is 1:2 ratio. The energies of an electron in first orbit of He plus and third orbit of Li plus 2 in joules are respectively. Here the energies are given in joules. So energy of an orbit in joules is given by the formula minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 z square by n square, where z is atomic number, n is the orbit number. For helium ion, z is equal to 2, orbit number is 1. By substituting these values, we will get minus 8.72 into 10 power minus 18 joules. For lithium ion, z is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. So 3 square will be cancelled. We will get minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 joules. In the given options, first option is the right answer. Next, 10th one, the value of Rydberg constant is, it is the standard value, that is 109677 centimeter inverse. So third option is the correct one. Next, 11th one, the velocity of a particle A is 0.1 meters per second and that of particle B is 0.05 meters per second. If the mass of the particle B is 5 times that of the particle A, then the ratio of de Broglie's wavelength associated with the particle A and B is. So according to the de Broglie's wavelength, lambda equal to h by mv, where h is the Planck's constant, which is standard value. So lambda is inversely proportional to the one mass and velocity. So lambda 1 by lambda 2. Lambda 1 by lambda 2 is equal to m2 v2 by m1 v1. Here 1 is A, 2 is B. So B, B, A, A. Here by substituting the values, mass of B is 5 times that of the A. So first A mass is m, mass of B is 5m. Okay, velocity of B is given in the question, that is 0.05. Velocity of A is 0.1. By simplifying this, we will get 2.5, that is equal to 5 by 2. So they are in the ratio 5 by 2. So option 4 is the correct one. Next, 12th one, the number of radial nodes and angular nodes of a 4f orbital are respectively. Number of radial nodes is n minus L minus 1, where n is the principal quantum number. For 4f orbital, n is 4, f orbital, L is equal to 0, s orbital, L is equal to 1, p orbital, L is equal to 2, d orbital, L is equal to 3, f orbital. These are the azimuthal quantum numbers. Here for 4f orbital, L is 3. So 4 minus 3 minus 1 equal to 0. So number of radial nodes equal to 0. Angular nodes is also known as nodal planes, that means where the probability of the finding electron is 0. So it is equal to azimuthal quantum number. For 4f orbital, L value is 3. So number of angular nodes or nodal planes are 3. So 0 and 3, option 1 is the correct one. Next, 13th one, maximum number of electrons possible with spin quantum number plus 1 by 2 with principal quantum number n is equal to 4 is total number of electrons in an orbit equal to 2n square, where n is here n is 4. So 2 into 4 square means 32. Among 32 electrons, half of the electrons are having spin quantum number plus 1 by 2, remaining are minus 1 by 2. So maximum number of electrons with spin 1 by 2 are 16. So option 1 is the correct one. Next, 14th one, the wavelength of second line in Lyman series of hydrogen atomic spectrum. Here wave number nu bar equal to 1 by lambda equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, where n1 n2 are the series in Bohr spectrum. For second line in Lyman series n1 equal to 1. For second series n2 is equal to 3. By substituting these values, we will get 1 by lambda equal to 8r by 9, where lambda equal to, by reversing this, 9 by 8r. So this is given in the second answer. Next, 15th one, what is the correct orbital designation of an electron with quantum number? Orbital designation is calculated by knowing the principal quantum number n, that is 4. L equal to 3. L equal to 3 means f orbital. Here already I told L is equal to 0 means s orbital, L equal to 1 means p orbital, L is equal to 2 means d orbital, L is equal to 3 means f orbital. So here orbital is 4f. So 4f option is present in second option.